All right, I am showing you the last activity for the stage 3 of level 3. So we're looking at the dynamic changes of Earth's crust here. We're on level 3, stage 3. We're looking at this fossil location research. So when you get to this assignment that is posted in Google Classroom, there is two ways you can complete this. There's this document here. You can load this up on Google Classroom and type on it, or there's a printout available for you. You can grab the printout and go through there. What we are doing on this is you are going to be filling out and finding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locations, 6 different organisms, and where it was located on some of the different continents around the world. So on this assignment, there was a website posted that'll take you to this Climate Viewer Maps website. Once you get there, it's already going to show you a list of maps where there are fossils that have been found around the world. And it's a fairly simple research activity. There are 5 different maps, and we have 6 different fossils that you are trying to do here on this document. So our goal here is to try and get one fossil from every single continent, and we're looking at when did it exist. I'll show you how to find that information. And what kind of environment do you, the student, propose existed at the time of that fossil's creation? So meaning, what kind of environment? Say we find a fossil of a fish. Obviously, that is a aquatic organism, water. So it was in an environment where there was water. But what does it mean if we find something like a shark fossil in the middle of the North American continent? That means that the North American continent, which is now continental crust, that means at one point it was oceanic crust and it was once at the bottom of an ocean. That's hypothetical. That's if we found a shark fossil here and that was millions of years old in the United States, something like that. So let's do one here. We'll look at it and I'll help you see this one. So let's go and look at this. Let's pick a continent. Let's go Asia. And it's going to show you a bunch of little icons on this map, and you can click on it and pick any one of them. You could go with the first one you find. You could read a bunch of them and find something very interesting and all that. So if I click on any one of these fossils, it'll give me some information over here. It shows you where it's from. The tertiary systems of Gansu province. Okay. There was a geological formation in northwestern China, late Cretaceous period. That's a time period. You can look that up and look at that one. Dinosaur remains. So it doesn't give us a whole lot, but here it is. Here's the name of it, the Minhe Formation. So if we went over, we could look at that and see what's the name of this organism that is there. Not quite certain on that one. Let's look for something else. Formation. Looking for an organism. These are all saying formations. All these ones have Asian background names. Okay, here we go. Looks like we have some lizards, mammals. I think I'm wasting your time here trying to find one. You get the idea. So let's say this right here was a fossil. I'm just going to pretend that Zhaigao, if I'm even saying that correctly. So I copied that, the Zhaigao Formation. Where did it exist? What continent? We are on Asia. We could say Northern Asia, what we could describe that as. Northern Asia. When did it exist? We could look at it and try to figure out what period or what time frame did it exist. The blah, 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 blah period.